Namaskar friends, this is NJ, your host on this channel. So guys, in this video we will have our short discussion on Pluto turning direct in the transit on October 11th in the Capricorn sign. So guys, although lot many Vedic astrologers, they do not give much attention to the placement of Pluto or the transit of Pluto. But guys, like the way the geopolitical situation is taking place in the world right now, we are almost on the brink of countries turning against each other, usage of weapons capable of causing heavy destruction and all. Cities are getting wiped up, nations are pledging and vowing against each other and all. So somehow in that kind of scenario, somehow slightly gradually the placement or the motion transition of the Pluto as well becomes important, because guys, definitely Pluto in its whole stay in one zodiac sign, which happened for a long span of time, it's not gonna be having that much of the say. It's like for decades it's gonna be in a sign. But the concern is that whenever it turns kind of or changes its motion, turn stationary, turn retrograde, during those few weeks the impact is going to be felt. Now definitely guys, if I were to say that how can we relate the energy of Pluto in the Capricorn. So first of all, for all those people who follow Vedic astrology, if you have to know in short, or my theory or my way of looking at the outer planets is that when you talk about Uranus, somehow I see the energy of Uranus equivalent or akin to the energy of the planet Rahu. You will definitely find innovation, eccentricity, unpredictability in the energy of the Uranus, somehow the way Rahu acts. When we talk about Neptune, so I somehow personally relate the energy of Neptune with the conjunction of Moon and Ketu in someone's chart. Like the way Moon and Ketu can make someone very intuitive, very psychic, very mystical, dreamy. So these all are the qualities which Neptune's placement in your chart somehow grants in that specific area. Now, if I were to talk about Pluto, so imagine guys and pay attention to it. If you know about Vedic astrology, if someone asks you, okay, what sort of interpretation you can make with the conjunction of Saturn and Mars, the person is going to give this answer that, oh, okay, this person could be adamant, this person could be very technology driven, this person might be very goal oriented, very strong willed and all. So those are the kind of qualities you can attach with the Pluto. Rather, I would say just take it more higher notch, like make Mars and Saturn capable enough of causing mayhem, causing destruction, or hard bent on causing harm to someone. So that is the kind of energy which you can attach with the Pluto. Now guys, the good part about the malefic planet is that whenever they are somehow placed in the Capricorn, or they are placed in the 10th house, somehow they have this capacity that they are not gonna be losing out on their nature. But this tendency to conquer, this tendency to fight, to compete, somehow works out or is taken out for the accomplishment or the attainment of your goals only. So now guys, definitely if I were to say from the point of view of the global situation, so guys, definitely it is only causing more fuel to the fire. Like the way right now in the transit, Saturn and Rahu are in an exchange of the nakshatra, the way things are happening. Mars, the chief planet of causing war and everything, Mars is also under affliction. Mars is already transiting between Gemini and Cancer, and once on October 20th, once it will enter the sign of Cancer, it is going to be forming, and it is gonna be aspecting the planet Saturn as well. So definitely the global situation is not gonna be coming to a halt. Like rather I would say with Pluto turning direct, it will definitely expose many ulterior intention of many people as well. There could be those cases that there might be someone very highly placed in the government, might be spying for some other country. So this is how people are going to get exposed once Pluto is going to be turning direct in the Capricorn. People are going to be more firm, more determined in their resolution, in their will to cause harm, to gain complete victory. They might not be settled, they might not be happy with having few of the portion of their set target. They want everything and they are ready to go to any extent to get their wishes fulfilled. Now guys, in our personal life as well, definitely, because in a way Capricorn is the original Kalpurush Kundali's 10th house energy. So you will definitely find that you will be much more disciplined, you will be much more driven towards the fulfillment of your goals and all. So regarding your career goals, your career setting, the way you get along with your bosses and something, you will definitely find added edge or headstrongness towards the attainment of your goals. So, and definitely guys, if you're already working in a field which involves too much of the dealing with the volatile people, hot-headed people, dealing with very high set powerful people, if your nature of work involves being in these situations, dealing with these kind of people, definitely you will find growth, progress and firmness towards your accomplishment of the goals and towards the path. So yes guys, this is something which I wanted to say as a part of my inputs. For further more updates and notifications on the divine science of Vedic astrology, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram account. Dhanyawad.